How to check if your iPhone battery is boosted or not. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and make sure to scroll down and tap on the camera option you see there. Further, go ahead and toggle on the toggle button for use volume up for burst. Now, go ahead and open camera on your iPhone and then hold the volume up button for 2 minutes while it's recording. Once it's done, go ahead and open settings and then tap on battery and then on battery health and charging. Here, if the maximum capacity is reducing frequently when you do this process, then you can tell that your iPhone battery has been boosted. So, this is how you can check iPhone battery boosted or not. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.